tonight. I pray for you. Whoever is reading this, may every burden weighing on your heart be lifted. May the pain you hide in silence turn into strength. I pray that every tear you've shed, every sleepless night, and every silent battle leads you to victory. You've been fighting. You have been holding on. You have been pushing through. God sees it all. You are not alone. Doors will open. Blessings will flow. And the struggles that once broke you will shape you into something greater. I declare peace over your mind, courage in your spirit, and favor over your life. This is not the end. Your breakthrough is coming, your story is changing, and the light ahead will outshine every dark day. Hold on. Keep believing. Keep moving. Because your time is near. No weapon formed against you shall prosper. No storm will last forever. Every closed door will make way for something greater. You were meant for more. Your life has purpose. If you receive this prayer, type Amen and share this with someone who needs it.